So, hi, my name is Amber, and I am doing a ukulele tutorial for you guys. For those of you that have never played ukulele before, this will be for you. You're going to need your ukulele, you're going to need a couple of picks, and just your phone or something. Unless you already have a ukulele tuner, you can use one on the App Store. Other than that, if your ukulele is already tuned, we can get started. If not, then we can start playing, or you could just pause the video, you know, do your thing. So anyways, we're going to start out with, I'll just tell you about the tuning. Mine's in standard tuning. G, C, E, A. Should sound like that. So our first chord we're going to start out with is A minor. A minor is this first string, second finger, so it looks like that, and then second fret. And when you play A minor, it should sound like this. Okay, and then the next one is going to be just a A chord, which is that same finger on the second fret. So how you played the A, or A minor, my bad. Add this finger to the second string on the first fret, like that, if you could see. And that A chord is going to sound like this. Okay, so now we have those ones. We can do G. G is going to be, you're going to take your middle finger, put it on the last chord, and that's second fret, and then you're going to make kind of a triangle like that with these two fingers. So it's probably hard to see, but so that one's there. Then take your ring finger, put on the third to the last string on the third fret, and then take your pointer finger and put it on the second fret a step above the ring finger. So it should look like that. That's a G. And that should sound like this. So far we've learned A minor, A, and G. Okay, so if it helps you to remember these, I would write them down. That way that you can remember what you've learned, because sometimes when we do tutorials, we tend to just forget them afterwards, and then we have to watch the video over and over again, and that's kind of annoying, especially if we don't really like the video. Next one, let's do F. F is going to be pretty simple. Remember that A chord that we did? That's going to be the first string, second fret with the middle finger. The A, we're going to use that. We're going to put that A there, that A finger. Got it? And then we're going to take our pointer finger and put it on the third string, right there, first fret. And it's going to look like that. See that? That is an F, my friends. So, F. Lovely. Sounds so good. So, G. We'll just start from the beginning. I should have did these in the order I wrote them down, because I'm confusing myself. All right. So, A minor, A, G, and F. Okay, so if this is boring you, which it might be, you can pause the video and come back to it. Otherwise, let's keep going. So, okay, D, we're gonna learn D. The D, the big D, right here. Second fret, first 3 strings is gonna be your D. And you're gonna wanna take your 3 fingers and put them on that second fret right there. See that? Second fret, 3 fingers right here. Push all those down, and that's gonna give you a D chord. Okay, we'll move down to E minor. E minor is going to be like steps, basically. So you're gonna wanna put pointer finger here on the first string, second fret, middle finger, 3rd fret, 3rd string. And then your ring finger is going to want to go on the 4th fret of the 2nd string. That is an E minor, and it's going to sound like this. Okay, and then C, pretty simple. It's just this 3rd fret, last string with your 3rd finger. Okay, and then just to show you a couple others, there's C, what we just did. Then there's C major 7, and then C7. D minor. D minor is, so the F basically, but you're going to add your ring finger right behind your middle finger, like that. So it's going to look like this. My pinky's not touching anything. It might look like it is, but it's not. And that is going to be a D minor. And it's going to sound like that. So let's go over some of the chords that we've learned and what they sound like put together. So if you want to start with, let's see, if you want to use your picks, you can. I preferably don't like to use them. So we'll start with G. A minor. F. C. G. D. E minor. C. C major 7. C7. A. F. So, those are all the chords that you've learned. Go ahead and play with them, practice. If you have to watch this video again, which hopefully you don't because it's really long, yeah. So I hope I was able to teach you guys something today. That was kind of the point of this video. If you have any suggestions, how I could have done my video better, go ahead and leave a comment below. Otherwise, otherwise, go ahead and give my video a like. If you hated it, let me know. So yeah, go ahead and practice all the chords that you've learned, put them together, and make music.